The legendary Indian batsman Sunil Gavaskar once said, "If I am on my deathbed and I had one last thing to see, it would be MS Dhoni's six in the final of the 2011 World Cup." Welcome to Sports Wiki. We bring you MS Dhoni's love story with last ball sixes. MS Dhoni and last ball sixes is an unending love story which has been famous in world cricket. It has given him the label of the world's best finisher, and Indian cricket fans have been fortunate enough to witness MS Dhoni hitting the six on the final ball multiple number of times and winning the game for Team India. Today, we'll discuss 5 of his innings when he smashed a 6 on the final ball of the match and won the game for Team India. Firstly, it was in the year 2005 in a game against Sri Lanka when MS Dhoni scored his highest individual score of 183 runs. He smashed a 6 on the final ball to give a famous victory to Team India. India and Pakistan, an arch rivalry that the entire cricketing fraternity celebrates. After 2012, India and Pakistan have not engaged in bilateral games due to the political tensions between the nations. But prior to that, India and Pakistan have been witness to some of the most historic and exciting matches in the history of world cricket. It was in the year 2008 in the Asia Cup that India and Pakistan came against each other. In the group stage match, Team India registered a famous victory over Pakistan by 6 wickets, and MS Dhoni finished off in style. He smashed a humongous 6 to give India a famous victory over their arch rivals Pakistan. Team India eventually went on to win the 2008 edition of the Asia Cup and emerged as the champions of the continent. MS Dhoni smashed a final ball 6 later in the year 2013, and this time the rivals were again Sri Lanka. In the Selcon ODI Cup, the Tri-Series Nation Cup between West Indies, Sri Lanka and India, India and Sri Lanka were competing against each other in the final of the series. Team India needed 15 runs of the final over to win the match. MS Dhoni was on strike and Team India had lost 9 wickets in the process. It was only the last wicket left and they had to work wonders if they had to win the match. But everybody in world cricket acknowledges that if Team India needs 15 runs to win in the final over and MS Dhoni is on strike, the pressure is on the bowler rather than MS Dhoni himself. Dhoni repeated his famous tale and smashed a final ball 6 to register another famous win for Team India in the 2013 Selcon Cup final. In 2016, in the Asia Cup final against Bangladesh, MS Dhoni finished off things in style. Team India needed 121 runs in the 15 overs to win the game. Before the game, a lot of Bangladeshi fans had mocked MS Dhoni and had undermined him. Ever since MS Dhoni took to the field in that game, he was dominant enough on the Bangladesh bowlers and was in no mood to let them go easily. Like the very much of his career, MS Dhoni smashed a huge 6 on the final ball to give India another Asia Cup title and an emphatic win over Bangladesh in a much awaited tie. Lastly, but most importantly, the 2011 World Cup final. How many Indian fans can forget the iconic image of MS Dhoni hitting Nuwan Kulesekara on the final ball over long on to win the World Cup for Team India after 28 years? It is certainly one of the most iconic images and iconic moments in the Indian cricket history. MS Dhoni was in full flow and came to the rescue of Team India when things did not look good. He promoted himself up the order in the final, taking a very huge decision of facing the Sri Lankan bowlers when the entire Indian top order had failed to face them. He, along with Gautam Gambhir, staged a famous partnership that will remain in the history books of Indian cricket forever. In the final overs of the game, MS Dhoni was rearing to his 100, but his focus was always to win the match for Team India. He did so by smashing a final six over long on to Nuwan Kulsekara, and that became one of the most celebrated images in world cricket. For such amazing trivia and content, stay tuned to Sports Wiki.